hi everyone, I'm back again, back for some more fun with the BMW. I'm literally going to pick up where I left off on the last video. I managed to get one side of that seat frame just where I need it, ready for welding. Now I need to do the opposite side as well. There's not a lot of work to be done on that. To get that into the same position, then I need to clean up all the metalwork and weld it. The welding is going to be interesting, I've got to admit. I don't want to mess it up, so I might get a few trial pieces of metalwork and just see how it welds and make sure I'm not going to faff it up too much. But there might be a bit of faffery in today's video. I'm not going to apologise for it. I'm actually just getting on and trying to make things work here, so I make no apologies for that. Sorry, I can't talk today, and that is my seat making that noise. Right, so look, I've got the BMW chalked up. Let's have a look at it and get on with some work. We'll have a quick look before we get grinding again. Let's go! Right, so here it is. I've put this spirit level on the bike to try and get the bike as level as I can, to then actually make sure I'm getting this rear seat frame nice and level and straight and flat as such, and even both sides, because I don't want to be sitting on a wonky seat. It is, as I said in the last video, is not really 100% kind of straight, this bar work, the tubing that I'm going to sit on, but if I can get it all to be secure, I don't think it'll look too bad when it's done. I'm sure you'll all have your opinions on that. Okay, so I need to get all of these bits off. I need to grind them all off, and because they're all proud on the tube in here, so yeah, I need to clean all this up and get it ready for that rear seat frame hoop tubey jobby to go on the back. This bit here, over here, this rusty thing, it really does look quite bad on the camera. I hope my camera's focusing. It's not doing a great job. It might be because of that damage I've done on the lens, but hopefully it will work. But anyway, I'm going to stop talking about all this. I'm just going to get on and get working and see if I can get this sorted. Hot drink, staying warm. I think I've come up with a better arrangement wearing these safety glasses, so like safety glasses first and then actual glasses second, but I just hope I don't mark up my glasses like I've managed to mark up this lens on the camera. But anyway, hopefully it'll stay in focus. Grind on! Right, so there it is, all nicely sitting in place, nice and strong. It's not going anywhere. I think get some welds on there and it's going to do a good job. But first of all, I just need to clean up all these excess bits on here, so then I can get the tube which sits on the back of the seat and will make us a nice seat as such, a nice seat frame. So anyway, without talking too much about it, let's get on with it. Let's start cleaning up all that metalwork. Right, I've just decided I'm just going to chop off the back ends, about, I don't know, yay much. It's real science here, guys. I'm going to cut about this much off the back so I can slide this bar work over the back of this framework. Then I don't need to do quite as much cleaning up. So yeah, because it's quite messy and I'm getting everything really messy in here and I don't want to make too much mess. So I'm gonna chop some of that off because I don't need it, and then attempt fitting this bad boy on the back, and then we can go about cleaning it up some more and then welding it. Right, so that's those bars chopped off nicely and rounded off. Now I'm going to start smoothing off all these excess parts that I don't need on the lower bars. Let's grind some more. Not bad, it'll do. Let's clean that some more. Right, that's that one. All done. I'm just about to do another one now. So that's that one. Nice. Kind of happy with that. It's not bad. It's quite good. Yeah, happy with it. Next one. Right, so they are all grinded down, and yeah, I'm quite happy with that. They're not perfect, but I'm not looking for perfect. They're going to look good when they're on the bike and all powder coated up. You won't really see much of many kind of imperfections there, however you want to say it. But anyway, not focusing very well, this camera. It's because my face is in the camera, but yeah. It'll do. It's not perfect, but it'll do. That's that one. And excuse the fluff. Here's the other one. But it should be fine. Should be fine. Should be good. Right, I'm gonna cut this video here. I was gonna add in on the end me learning how to weld. I've been welding and it's been taking me a little time, and I'm going to make that as a separate video because I think that one deserves to be a separate video. It's only going to be about, I don't know, 10-15 minutes long with me welding, learning how to weld. But if I add it onto this one now, it's going to turn into like a 25-minute odd video or 30-odd minute video. And yeah, I think it's a bit long. So I'm going to cut this one here. Thanks for watching. Join me back shortly for me learning how to weld and make a mess of things. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.